Oh my god. These are so good. I just got a package from Makeup Forever and we're gonna open it together, and I know there's food in here, so that's why I'm in the kitchen. It says, what's your flavor? It says, please enjoy this curated assortment from our iconic artist collection. Okay. These like little pastry bags are on top, but let's open them and see what's inside. This one says Anywhere Caffeine. They sent me the Artist Color Pencil in the shade Anywhere Caffeine. They sent me the Artist Color Pencil Extreme in the shade Anywhere Caffeine. I'm gonna have to swatch these in a different video. This is the Artist to Go Anywhere Caffeine eye palette. I'm actually wearing Makeup Forever foundation right now because I did a separate Makeup Forever video, but look at this eyeshadow palette. I cannot wait to use this. They sent me the Limitless Brown. These are also two of their pencils. Wherever Walnut. I'm so happy about these. Two more pencils, Wherever Walnut. And Endless Cacao. Oh my. Also two pencils. I'll do a swatch on these in a separate video. And then there's more. Cute! There's cupcakes. Cupcakes that are like themed or like colored to match all of the lip shades. I love that so much. Oh my god, they smell so good. Zoe, come here, babe. Yeah, don't you want to try one? My teenager doesn't want to be in my video, so I'll try one by myself. Okay, these smell delicious, but I want to try one of these because chocolate is my thing, and this is chocolate on chocolate. Wow, amazing. Look at that. My husband's gonna eat every single one in like 1 minute. Zoe, you're missing out. Thank you, Makeup Forever. This is so sweet. Literally. Good. I just ate every single flavor of those cupcakes, and I was looking at the packaging and I realized that these cupcakes, which are delicious, they're from Baked by Melissa, in case you were wondering.